So, oh my gosh, it's cold. Anyway, I'm doing a project for science, and it's scale model of the solar system, not the universe. If the sun was 6 feet, well, this truck's about 6 feet, so it'll be the sun. It's my dad's truck. Where is he? There he is. Way down there. He's about where Mercury would be right now. So, yeah, let's get started. So, about here is where Mercury would be. His is my dad's truck. It's the sun. So, yeah. Yeah. And if you're wondering what the size of Mercury would be at the scale, it's about the end of this Lego brick. It's a flag, but yeah. So yeah, and if you're wondering what all this looks like, here's the poster that I'm basing it off of. If it doesn't blow away in the wind. I am very cold. Okay, right here, there's the sun, and here's Venus. That's the size of this Lego. The Legos really did help me a lot with coming up with the sizes for finding things the size of the small planets. It's about 6, I forgot to say this for Mercury, but it's 464 feet from the sun. And then Mercury is 249.4 feet from the sun. It is very cold, and we're just getting started. Yay! There is the sun. Here is where the Earth would be. Here is the Earth, which is the wheel spoke thing. And where that hole is, that would be about the size of the moon. The moon would be about, like, if my foot was the Earth, it'd be like right about there-ish, 1.7 feet away. I'm guessing. That's about the right distance. And yeah, the Earth would be 464, right? Yeah, 445.1 feet away from the sun. Now we are in the spot where Mars is. I'm going to try and get the... Yeah, it's just very wide out. There is the sun. There's my dad inside the sun. Anyway, and here is about the size of Mars. It's about the size of a Lego minifigure head, and like around. So yeah, again, Lego really helped. This will be the last, well, second to last Lego piece. We still got Pluto coming up. Yes, I will be including Pluto in this. It's about 980.5 feet away from the sun. Okay, so this is about where Jupiter is. This would have been perfect for Saturn, because ring, but Jupiter does kind of have rings, so I guess it kind of works. Anyway, this is a Marbleplex. It's space themed, which is kind of ironic, but that is about the size of Jupiter to this scale. And way down there, if I can keep I can't keep my hands straight, so I'm just going to zoom out before I get motion sickness, is the sun. Neat! So you can't see it right now because the sun is, wait a minute. Okay, you can't see it. So right now we're in a bit of a valley, but yeah, here's Saturn. It's about the size of this glowy orb thing. It's supposed to be like the galaxy or universe or whatever. But yeah, it also comes in like a moon thing. But yeah, it's about 1.16 miles, which is over 6,000 feet from the sun. And we can't see right now because there's a hill in the way. But yeah. Neat. So this is Uranus. It's about 2.34 miles from the sun. One thing though, it's also about the size of Neptune, and they're about the size of, this is a lacrosse ball, by the way. And yeah, you can't even see the sun right now because it's over the curvature of the earth. Well, there's a hill in the way too, which doesn't help, but yeah. Okay, way down there is the sun. I am currently stretched up as far as I can with my arms on the back of my truck, and you can't even see the sun because it's currently over the curvature of the earth. Welcome to Neptune. Actually, Neptune would be about right, okay, you can't see it, about where that approach is, but this is currently a hill, and this would probably be my best shot at seeing the sun, which you can't, just like today. Anyway, this is Neptune. It's actually a little bit smaller than this to scale, but this was the closest thing to find the size. Since Neptune and Uranus are so similar, I decided just to use it. So yeah. So this would be about where Pluto is. And if you're wondering for the size of Pluto, it's about the size of the tip of this Lego thing. It's like a Lego flagpole. Again, Lego really helped me out. I'm not getting out of my truck for this one because there is not really any point because there's a giant hill in the way. My dad's heading home, so for this part, but so you can't really see the sun. But my plan is to just drive the entire distance so you can get a sense of the scale of the solar system. So right now, we're starting at Pluto. I'll tell you when we go by every planet spot-ish. So like until then, we're kind of just sitting in silence. This spot gets really bumpy. Okay, good. So, God, it's bumpy on both sides. That approach right there is okay. It's about where Neptune would be. I'm just holding this for this bit. And right here is where I filmed it. I'm just gonna reset you back up. Okay, 1 second. Okay, we're good again. Okay, so right about here is where Uranus would be. Actually, right now, right about here. Here is where Uranus is. Fun fact about Uranus, it's the only planet that is named after a Greek god, not a Roman god. And right now, you would be traveling at about the speed of light, or probably over. Definitely over. Way over the speed of light. Honestly, right now, walking would be probably about the speed of light. I haven't done the math for that, so I'll check that later. But yeah, about walking pace would be about the speed of light for this area. For this scale, which the scale, if I haven't said it yet, is 6 feet. The sun is 6 feet wide. And right here is where Saturn is. Probably right about now is where you'd be able to see the sun again after the curvature of the Earth. So probably about here, yeah, here is about where Jupiter is. About here is about where Mars is. Wait, no. Here it is. Earth is about here. Here's Venus. And here's Mercury. And that might not have been Mercury, but this approach right here is where the sun would be. So yeah, that is the solar system to the scale. I'm going to stop my truck because, yeah, if the sun was about 6 feet, so yeah.